In 2013, when the time I decided to become a virtual assistant, may ginawa akong bagay that I believe the secret why I become who I am today. And this is something that I don't usually share online. Kasi secret nga ni. Pero today, I'm proudly going to show this thing na ginawa ko noong 2013 na sa tingin ko, naging reason kung bakit ako nagtagumpay noon hanggang ngayon. And this secret have nothing to do with any skill you know. Hindi rin ito tools or AI like ChatGPT or Claude or anything AI that you know. But there's something magical to this. So, alam mo ba kung ano ito? It's my DCA, also known as my definite cheap aim. Araw-araw nang sumumpa ako maging VA noong 2013, araw-araw akong sumusulat ng definite cheap aim ko. Yung definite cheap aim po ay yung written goal na nagsasabi na magiging VA ako. And hango ito sa librong Think and Grow Rich ni Napoleon Hill. And it's a definite written goal mo kung ano yon at kung kailan at paano mo ma-achieve yung goals mo. And way back, my goal is to become a part-time virtual assistant that earns at least 250,000 yearly. Medyo natatamad na kasi ako mag-work as an engineer way back at naghahanap ako ng ibang pagkakakitaan na magiging way ko para makaalis sa toxic at sobrang repetitive na work doon sa planta na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. Sadly, nawala ko yung notebook na yon, no? And what I remember is doon ko pa yung sinulat sa journal na pang security guard, yung mabigat na blue book, no? Kapag napasok ka sa mga establishment, yung maglalag ka muna, yung journal security blue book. Yun kasi yung libre sa office namin. Kaya kinuha ko doon. Kumuha lang ako doon ng isang journal, no? Nang hingi ako sa katrabaho ko. And tandang-tanda ko pa ang nakasulat doon. Kasi nga, sinulat ko yun 1,000 times, no? Although nawala ko na yung sa akin kasi nabaha yung bahay namin sa Bulacan dati, kasamang nabasa yung journal ko na yon. And it looks like this, no? Sabi ko dyan, nung 2013, my definite cheap aim, I, Chad Godoy, will become a part-time virtual assistant. And in return, I will give the best possible performance and render my best quality service as a virtual assistant. Starting 2015, I will achieve the best results and get clients as a VA. And from then onward till the end of 2017, I will have in my possession 250,000 annually, no? And I will start to live the way I please and achieve financial freedom and happiness. Chad Godoy, date April 2013. Araw-araw I bring that notebook to office, no? Araw-araw, bit-bit ko yung pangarap ko at pag break time, I write or rewrite that definite cheap aim. And yes, it may sound repetitive because I wrote it 1,000 times. No? So, sinusulat ko yun once in the morning and once before I go to bed and reciting it every day because I believe there's magic on repetition. And hindi lang ako yung gumawa nito. No? Ito rin yung ginawa ni Bruce Lee when he wrote yung pangarap niyang maging isang sikat na highly paid martial artist. And there's an artifact that proves na ginawa niya yun. And I don't know what's so magical about this, but it helps me to create a clear mental picture of what I want to become in those times. The same thing when I build this channel, no? I also create a renewed definite cheap aim last 6 years ago na nagsisimula pa lang akong gumawa ng content. Nung times na wala pa akong followers at wala pang masyadong nanonood sa akin. Yung punto ko dito is this. Hindi kasi pwedeng gusto mo lang maging VA or freelancer or maging isang successful na tao. Dapat meron kang written goal. Kasi a written goal or a DCA or a definite chief aim is a pact or kasunduan mo kay universe na may gusto ka at meron kang plano kung ano, kailan, at paano mo ito gagawin or magagawa. Ano man ang plano mo sa buhay, ano man ang gusto mong hilingin kay Lord, kasi may kasabihan nga tayo, no? A goal that is not written is merely a wish, no? Yun yung kasabihan, di ba? Pag hindi nakasulat yung goal mo, hiling lang yun. And the more na inuulit mo yung banggitin sa isip mo, lumalabas sa bibig mo, no? The more paulit-ulit mo siyang sinusulat, the more paulit-ulit mo siyang binabanggit sa isip mo, lumalabas yan sa bibig mo, at kung ano ang lumalabas sa bibig mo, ay yun ang ginagawa mo, at kung ano ang ginagawa mo, yun yung nagiging buhay mo. And by writing it, create that strong desire sa loob mo. That desire, create that starting point of your achievements. And it has nothing to do with skill, your degree, nor your current intelligence or AI. But it has something to do with what you want and what you have written. And I believe that is my secret. So if you want, you may want to read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, or read a blog paano gumawa ng definite cheap aim na pwede mong isulat araw-araw. Wala namang mawawala, di ba? Kasi kung susubukan mo, malay mo, di ba, mag-work, di ba? The same thing nung may lumapit sa aking dating isang babae, no, asking for help, no, naalala ko lang, to work from home daw. Kasi baon na baon siya sa utang. Sorry to say, but I forgot her name. Pero friend ko siya sa Facebook. She was 500,000 in debt, and I helped her to become a VA, and pinasulat ko sa kanya yan araw-araw kung magkano ang gusto niya kitain at paano niya yung gagawin niya para kitain yon, no? Kasi ang daming Bombay na humahabol sa kanya way back, no? I believe 2023. Meron silang maliit na negosyo, no? Yung printing shop, no? Kaso nga hindi siya makabangon may printing shop sila, hindi siya makabangon sa utang. Kaya kulang na kulang pa yung kinikita ng printing shop para pambayad dun sa utang nila sa Bombay. Kaya nga gusto niya magkaroon ng part-time work. At nung sumulat siya ng DCA after 1 year, nakabayad siya gawa nga nakakuha siya ng work online as a VA, di ba? Nagkaroon na siya ng income, another income, besides the printing shop. And after 1 year, imbes na hinahabol sila para magbayad sa utang, yung Bombay nang humahabol para magpautang kasi nakabayad na sila. Kasi good payer na siya. Gusto siyang pautangin ngayon ng Bombay. Pero yun nga, ayaw niya nang umutang kasi nga nag-i-invest na rin siya with that, kasi mayroon na siyang pera So, what I can just say about here is this, no? Getting what you want in life starts from knowing what it is. Kasi kung ala kang definite na sagot, kung ano ba talaga ang gusto mo, hindi mo ito makukuha. So, better write it down on a piece of paper and rewrite it hundreds and thousands of times hanggang dumating sa point na sobrang kitang-kita mo na yung pangarap mo. At subconsciously, nakikita mo na nare-realize mo na yon in your own hands. Kasi dati habang sinusulat ko yung definite cheap aim ko way back 2013, nakikita ko talaga kung gaano karami yung pera na yun na nasa table na. Hindi ko pa siya kinikita Hindi ko pa siya kinikita, nakikita ko na siya. Nasa tabi ko na siya talaga. Hindi pa ako nag-work, wala pa akong client, kita ko na siya. And ready ko na siyang, alam mo yun, gastusin, pambili-bili. And medyo nahiya pa nga ako kasi way back 250,000 lang yung asking ko, pero per year that time kasi nga, part-time pa lang naman. So, yun lang yung hinihiling ko, no? Kahit 250K muna every year or roughly 20,000 per month. Parang kasi way back 2013, wala pa akong confidence kasi I don't have a VA skill or I don't know what about a VA. Wala pa akong alam talaga. Kaya yung confidence ko, limited lang siya way back. Kaya 250K lang yung kinaya kong isulat. Pero 2017, halos kumikita na ako ng 70K to 80K a month versus asking ko na 20 to 20K per month. So, times 4 ng sinulat ko doon. And that says there's power to a written goal, no? There's power in your thoughts. Dito sa isip mo na talagang if you can think it, you can grow rich talaga, no? 'Di ba? Depende na lang kung gaano mo siya iisipin. Okay? So, guys, if you have achieved something in this video at feeling nyo achieve na ang life at ready na kayong kumita, write down your definite cheap aim. And don't forget to like this video po. Salamat and God bless po sa inyo. Have a nice day.